Good morning, children. This is the second video of the chapter People as Resource. When we talk about people as resource, these people can be converted into resource with the help of investment in education and health. When these people converts into resource, they perform various activities. So what are those activities? The first is economic activities. These activities are those one which helps in generating income, or these activities can be involving production, distribution or consumption of products or services. The second category is non-economic activities. The activities which are undertaken to satisfy social, religious, cultural and sentiment requirements. That means it is being performed for psychological satisfaction. For example, if a lady cooks a food for her family is an example of non-economic activities. Whereas if the same lady cooks food for a hotel or a restaurant, she charges money. And this is an example of economic activities. So how do we compare these two? This can be first on the basis of meaning. Economic activities are basically related with production, consumption of goods and services. Non-economic activities are performed with the aim of satisfaction. Motive. Economic activities have the motive of earning money, whereas non-economic activities are done just for social or psychological affection. Measurement. The economic activities can be easily measured with the help of money, whereas non-economic activities are just being done for satisfaction. So no one can measure it in terms of money. Results. Why do we perform economic activities? It is only for creating wealth and assets, whereas non-economic activities are being created for satisfaction and happiness. National income. The economic activities adds to the value of national income because they generate income, whereas non-economic activities does not affect national income because they are being only performed for satisfaction and happiness. The another variety of activities are market activities and non-market activities. So what are market activities? Market activities are those which are helpful in transformation of input and with the exchange in turn converts into money. That means the production being done for the sake of money or profit are called market activities, whereas when we produce goods and services for our own consumption, it is called as non-market activities. For example, if a farmer grows crops for selling it into the market, it will be called as market activities, and if the same farmer grows crops for his own family, will be called as non-market activities. How we are going to compare these two? This is in market activity, whatever you are performing, those activities are paid remuneration, whereas in non-market activity it is for self-service. In market activities, generally we are being paid remuneration or it provides us profit, whereas in non-market activities we do not make any profit out of it. In market activities, basically we sell the goods or services in the market so that we can gain profit, whereas in non-market activities we are just producing the goods for our requirement. For example, market activities we can consider government employees, and in non-market activities we consider farmers who are producing goods for his own consumption. So children, hope you may have been very clearly understood the concept of economic and non-economic activities and market and non-market activities. Read the chapter for further more clarification. Thank you.